come to gently lay down on your back, bend the knees, and place the soles of the feet on the earth. You're welcome to lay down wherever you would like, whether that's your bed, your couch, or even your floor. And softly let the inner knees kiss. And relax the top eyelashes down towards the bottom. And keeping the eyes closed, relax the muscles of your face. And notice your breath naturally start to deepen and slow down. Feel yourself connect deeper with each inhale and exhale as it nourishes your body, your mind, and your spirit. And guide your right palm to the belly and relax that right elbow down towards the floor by your side. And place the left palm over your heart and relax the left elbow down to the earth by your side. Soften each and every single muscle in your whole body. And feel the brows start to unfurl. And feel the jaw soften and release. And allow the belly and the chest to expand and contract a little bit more with each deep breath. Finding 3 deep breaths together, you're always welcome to go at a different pace if what I offer you doesn't feel good. Find a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through your mouth, letting it all go. 2 more like that. Let it feel good. Inhale through the nose. Guide the breath into your belly, into your chest. And exhale, let it all go. And 1 more. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest, and exhale, release. Come back to the natural wave of each inhale and exhale, and allow the muscles of your body and your face to soften all over again. Feeling the gentle rhythm of the heartbeat underneath your left palm. Notice how you are always provided for, and your body is always working for you, even when you're not putting in any effort. In your mind, repeat after me. I am always provided for. Now just notice the gentle wave of breath underneath your right palm. Your body again, is always working for you, even when you're not putting in any effort. Repeat after me again. In your mind, say, I am always provided for. It's okay to have big feelings. It's so good to explore those, but right now we're just letting go and recognizing that you are absolutely okay in the here and the now. You are always provided for and always will be. Feel the blades of the shoulders just naturally melt down to the earth a little deeper, and just letting go even more. And sometimes we think we've completely let go or we're completely relaxed until we find that there's always something to let go of a little bit deeper. Notice how you feel when you focus on your breath. Notice how you feel when you're completely present in the moment. Breathe into how good it feels to just let go and completely trust the universe. This can sometimes feel like one of the most challenging things to do, but you're more than capable of it. You have complete permission to just let go and simply be. And just keep breathing into what is right here and right now. And that's your breath, your calm and relaxed body and mind, and the calm space that surrounds you. And start to find another deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest, and exhale through your mouth. And gently wiggle the fingers and the toes. And flutter the eyes open like a butterfly opening its wings. And welcome yourself back to this calm space that surrounds you. I hope that you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me.